Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Baparai Engineers. Our today's topic is line and phase current in star delta starter. Also in this video we discuss about calculations of line and phase current in star delta starter. First we discuss about basics of star and delta connection. Star connection. Delta connection. In star connection the terminals of the three branches are connected to a common point. The network formed is known as star connection. In delta connection the three branches of the network are connected in such a way that it forms a closed loop known as delta connection. In star connection line current is equal to the phase current. In delta connection line current is equal to √3 times of the phase current. In star connection line voltage is equal to √3 times of the phase voltage. In delta connection line voltage is equal to the phase voltage. At last, in star connection the speed of the motor is slow, because they receive only 1/3 of the line voltage. The speed of the motors in delta connection is high, because each phase gets the total of the line voltage. Next move to line and phase current in star delta starter. Subscribe the channel for technical videos. Line and phase current in star delta starter. First we make a connection of motor with DOL starter and star delta starter. Detailed video of DOL starter is available on my YouTube channel. Motor plate for DOL starter and star delta starter. Let's make its connection with R, Y, and B phase. In DOL starter, if we check load with clamp meter at this point, then it is called line current. Same like DOL starter, if we check current in main supply of star delta starter, then it is called line current. If we check current after main and delta contactor, then it is called phase current. In given drawing black box are point of line current and green box are point of phase current. Let's look at another example. It is the power drawing of star delta starter. Detailed video of star and delta starter is available on my YouTube channel. In given drawing, if we check load in input and outside of MCCB then it is called line current. If we check current after the supply is divided, then it is called phase current. In given drawing, black box point is of line current, and green box point is of phase current. In star delta starter, we select MCB and MPCB according to line current. Overload relay, main, star and delta contactor are selected according to phase current. For example, suppose if you have a 10 HP 3-phase induction motor. Its full load current is around 14.5 ampere. So, its line current is 14.5 ampere. Formula for calculate phase current is line current divided by √3. Value of √3 is 1.732. So phase current is equal to 14.5 divided by 1.732. It means that phase current of 10 HP 3-phase induction motor is around 8.7 A. It means that for 10 HP star delta starter we selected main MCB or MPCB according to 14.5 ampere. And we install overload relay, main, star, and delta contactor according to 8.7 ampere. Look at another example. It is power drawing of forward reverse star delta starter. Detailed video of forward reverse star delta starter is available on my YouTube channel. In given drawing main MCB, forward and reverse contactor are installed in line current. Overload relay, star and delta contactor are installed according to phase current. Suppose if we have a requirement of 50 HP forward reverse star delta starter. Full load current of 50 HP 3-phase induction motor is around 72 ampere. So, its line current is 72 ampere. According to formula, phase current is equal to 72 divided by 1.732. So, phase current of 50 HP 3-phase induction motor is around 41.5 ampere. Video related to line, phase voltage and current of 3-phase induction motor are coming soon. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for latest technical updates.